Topics. Recently asked me to August 2025, Part 1, Topics. IELTS Speaking Part 1. Today's topic is praise and encouragement. This is the vocabulary we'll be using in our sample answers. So let's begin. First question is, have you had any achievements recently? Answer is, well, actually yes. Just a couple of months back, I aced my nursing degree and landed second in my entire class. Pretty chuffed about that, to be perfectly honest. Punjabi de vich main explain karunga. Aced, that means you did extremely well. Pretty chuffed means very pleased. But bahut khush hona. Next question. How do you feel when you are praised? Oh, it's a great boost. मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा encouragement वाली गल है, right? I won't lie. This is a contraction. Short form है will not be, right? भी मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. It puts a spring in my step and makes me want to keep pushing harder. But doesn't love a bit of recognition, right? कहने का मतलब ये है कि ये तो बहुत बड़ी encouragement होगी. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. Vocabulary puts a spring in my step. इसका मतलब है कि makes me feel energetic and happy. किसनों पसंद नहीं है भी उसनों recognition मिले, right? हर किसनों पसंद है. When was the last time you praised somebody? Not too long ago. Actually, my mate friend नु कहंदे, right? My mate won a dance competition last year. Won. इन्हों मैं underline तां कीता क्योंकि sometimes I've seen students mispronounce this. गलत pronounce करते हैं इस तरीके ना won. It's not won, it's won. जिਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ like ਜਿਵੇਂ ਬੋਲਦੇ right? ਇੱਕ won. A dance competition last year and I made sure to big her up. She had practiced like crazy, so she totally deserved it. Big her up, that means to praise or support somebody, right? Do you think parents should often praise and encourage their children? Absolutely, but in moderation. A bit of praise goes a long way. Kids thrive when they feel valued, but overdo it and they might just coast along without really trying. Goes a long way, that means has a big positive effect. Coast along, that means do minimum without effort, right? Have you ever been praised or encouraged by your teacher? This is my favorite sample answer, by the way, in this entire video. I'd say yes and no. Yes and no, a बहुत वधी expression है part 1 ਦੇ ਲਈ अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ use करना चाहो, right? I'd say yes and no. मैं कहूँगा भी हाँ ते नहीं, भी कीता भी कदे ते नहीं भी कीता. Because I had zero interest in studies, right? भी studies ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣਬੁੱਝ ਕੇ ਪਾਇਆ. ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ exam ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਮਤਲਬ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿ studies ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ interest ਸੀਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ. Just जानबूझ के language complex बनाने ਲਈ. I had zero interest in dash dash dash. For example, you want to say I had zero interest in cricket, so never played. Studies. Instead, I was keen on ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਬਹੁਤ interest ਸੀ, playing guitar. And yes, if I'm not mistaken, ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਗਲਤ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ, right? ਬਜਾਏ I think ਕਹਿੰਦੇ if I'm not mistaken, ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ I remember ਕਹਿੰਦੇ, right? Back in my 3rd year, my professor gave me a shout out for playing the guitar in the youth festival in my college. It was just a few words, but it literally stuck with me. Gave me a shout out, that means publicly, सारे सामने praise करना, right? Stuck with me, still that means remained in my memory. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਦਾ free PDF ਵੀ download ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. You can also download free PDF of this video lesson. Just join my Telegram channel, and you can also get May to August इस तरीके दे बहुत सारे sample answers, 600 plus sample answers, खास तौर ते जेडे May to August जो latest ने. Just download my application IELTS classes अगर थोड़े कोल Android phone है. And if you have iPhone, then you can download Class Plus application and enter ORG code JEZKOVW. And if you're looking for 8777 band score in general training IELTS, feel free to join my live classes. This is my WhatsApp number. Don't hesitate to text me there. और प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर दसना कि ये सैम्पल आंसर किमें लगे. At the end of the video, all I ask you to leave a like and comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.